How to split a PDF. So hey guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can easily split a PDF into multiple parts. So in order to do this, we will be utilizing a free online PDF tool that goes by the name iLovePDF. So in order to access this tool, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice. So you can either use the Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. That doesn't matter. Just open any web browser and simply search for I love PDF and hit the enter button. Now as here you can see, I have this first link from ilovepdf.com. So simply click onto this first link and you will be landed into a website with this interface. Now from here you need to click onto this all PDF tools, and under this particular selection you can see a different types of operations that you can perform on your PDF. Now from here at the leftmost side you can see this organize PDF section, and under here the second option that says split PDF. So simply click onto this split PDF button and it will redirect you to a new page that says separate one page or a whole set for easy conversions into independent PDF files. So basically this will create a single PDF files into multiple different PDF files. So let us see how to do this. So click onto this select PDF file and it will open the file manager or file explorer, using which you need to select that particular PDF file which you want to split. So click here and then select the PDF file like this. So let's say I want to split this particular PDF file. So after selecting this, click onto this open button and you can see that the file has been successfully loaded right here. Then from here we have different options. Either you can split it using the range, or you can also determine different types of pages. So it will be split according to the pages, and then you also have this size option. So we will be using the range and pages option. So let's go to the range option, and from here we have the first option as custom ranges, and then we also have fixed ranges. So let's go to the custom range, and from here we can determine those pages that we want in the first PDF. So let's say we want page number 1 to, let's say, 4 in the first PDF and the rest in other PDF. So here you can see that the range one contains pages from 1 to 4. You can also click onto this add range option and it will contain the other numbers like 5 to 6. Then once you are done with this, you can also have the option to merge all ranges in one PDF, but I won't be selecting that, and then click onto this split PDF button and then you can see that the PDF has been split. So click onto this download split PDF and here you can see that a zip file has been downloaded. So let's try to open this, and now you can see that it contains these two PDFs. The first PDF contains page number from 1 to 4, so it basically contains 4 pages. And if we talk about the second PDF, it should contain 2 pages, which are right here. So that's how easily you can split a particular PDF into 2 parts or 2 separate PDFs. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day.